Good morning students, welcome you all back to our social class. We are dealing with the last chapter of our geography, that is lifelines of Indian economy. So in that chapter we have seen the roadways, we have seen about the railways, we have seen about the pipelines. Yes students, do you all remember? Yes, very good. So now we are getting into the new thing, that is the waterways. So waterways, what are the use of the waterways? So we have lot of use that has been available through the waterways. It is known as the immemorable. This waterway is known as the immemorable aspect behind it, and this Indian waterways are being still more called as the seafaring countries. We have an coastal bodies where we have the ports and other areas which are useful for the exportation of goods from one place to the other. And you can find that we have lot of exportation that has been done from the ports to the other countries. And come, we'll see what are the advantages of roadways. If you see roadways, advantages of waterways. If you see waterways is the way which is useful for the seamen sailors. Useful for seamen sailors means one who are sailing through the boats are known as seamen sailors. Okay, so for and nearer areas to longer areas also you can move, to the nearby areas also you can carry a large amount of goods, and it can even spread throughout the countries. And this not even spread only the goods and services, it also provides services like commercialization, okay, and also culture spreading is also happening because of the waterways. And these waterways are cheapest mode of transport. Comparing to the other, it is known as the cheapest mode of transport, and it can travel, it can carry heavy and bulk goods comparing to the other modes of transport. And this transport is a fuel efficient transport and also eco-friendly transport which is available. If you see, in India we have around the inland navigation alone 14,500 kilometers. 14,500 kilometers of inland waterways alone we have, and in that you can find, out of that 5,685 are known as the navigatable by the machine vehicles. Navigatable through machine vehicle means like the advanced machine vehicles like ships, which are all very good and effective in the mechanism, can be used for this 5,685 kilometers in navigation. Okay, and these navigations are even declared as the national waterways by the government of India. So we have lot of national highways which are there. In that few we'll see. That is, the first thing is the national water highway. National water highway, that is shortly called as NW number 1. That is in Ganga river from the Allahabad to Haldia. Allahabad to Haldia, it is around 1620 kilometers from Allahabad to Haldia. Okay, that is the inland waterway, first waterway. And second thing is in the Brahmaputra river. In Brahmaputra river, where you can see, that is from Sadia to Dhubri. Sadia to Dhubri is around 891 kilometers. NW, what is it? 2, okay? Yes. So NW2. Then you have the third one, that is in the west coast of India, in the Kerala, Kollam. We have no Kottapuram and Kollam in that area. From Udayamandalam is from Ooty, and the Champamkara canal is around 205 kilometers. It is NW3. Then we have the specific aspects like from Godavari to Krishna river we have the NH, that is along the Kannadi Puducherry, stretching towards the coastal areas. It is around 1078 NH4 it is. Then we have in the Brahmin along the Mathia River Delta, channel of Mahanadi and Brahmin River, where it is in the eastern coast. It is around 588 kilometers. 588 kilometers, and it is the NH5. So we can find beyond this also we have the some of the inland waterways which is prevailing, that is the Mandavi, Zurai, Chamberjun, Sundarban, Barkhar, backyards of Kerala, and the tidal which is being stretching towards the other rivers are also known as the inland waterways. And you can find apart from all these waterways which are prevailing inside our nation, we have still more waterways which have been helping us to have an exportation to the other countries. As I told you in the beginning, around 95% of the export from our country is happening through the ports, okay, to the other countries. The trade volume is around 94%, and the amount, the term of volume is around 68 is the range of export that is happening to the other countries through the ports. And this is what is about the waterways, my dear students. I'll explain you the major seaports in the next class. Okay, thank you students.